Congratulations! You've officially unlocked the secret to dying average. Wake up, scroll TikTok, complain you're tired, binge Netflix, sleep. Repeat this cycle for the next 40 years and boom! Mission accomplished. A perfectly wasted life. Why chase dreams? Why build skills? Average is safe. Average is easy. Stay comfortable, keep saying I'll start tomorrow, and one day you'll realize tomorrow never came. Because, hey, why be successful when you can just exist, right? But here's the truth. You're not tired, you're undisciplined. You're not unlucky, you're unfocused. And every single day you waste is proof you're choosing mediocrity with your own hands. So go ahead, keep living like this, or prove me wrong. Read one page, hit one workout, build one skill. Because average only wins if you let it.